In this video, we're going to work on multiplication. So if we have a problem like this that says multiply 5 times 4 and give the answer in the box. So if you haven't memorized your multiplication tables yet, you could try to picture this in your head. So you would have an array. An array is rows of like dots, and then in the 5 rows, you would have 4 dots. And then how many dots would that be in total? So it would look something like this. So you have 5 rows of 4 dots. So if you count up all the dots, you're going to see that that equals to 20. So we could put that in the little box here. 20. Another way to do this problem, and we did it with another one, and we'll do it some more with some other numbers, is you could use a number line. So it would look like this. So this number line skip counts by 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. So how you would do this is you have to move over on the line 5 times. So you start at 0 and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that brings us to 20. So that's our number. So eventually you will be able to memorize all of these numbers, and you wouldn't have to use the models or the number line, and that's going to be the goal in the end. So just keep practicing this until you're able to memorize it.